Want to find prospects who are already in the market for what you sell? That's where consumer purchase signals in the Salesgenie consumer database comes in. It helps you identify customers actively purchasing or likely to purchase products and services like yours so you can focus on the right leads at the right time. To get started, toggle to the consumer database. Then click Search for Leads. Next, click Filters. Then scroll to the Purchase Signals section. Click Configure Topics. Here, you'll be able to search topics by keyword or category. Pick the topics that match what you sell, whether it's auto sales or services, beauty products, home improvement services, or thousands of other options. How does it work? This data is based on recent time-stamped household purchasing activity. In other words, you're not guessing anymore. You're targeting consumers that are actively shopping for these products and services. Once you have selected the purchase signals you want to search for, click Done to apply those signals. Then click Apply Filters to filter your search. Click Close to see the results. You can now open any record to see the specific purchase signal or signals for that lead. Happy with the results? Click Save List to track your work and begin prospecting right away. And that's it. With purchase signals, you're not just chasing leads, you're connecting with households at the perfect moment when they're ready to buy.